In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your website with Email Octopus. The goal is simple. You will create a form inside Email Octopus, publish it, and then embed that form on your website so visitors can sign up directly to your mailing list. To begin, go to Email Octopus and open the Forms section. This is where you will build the sign-up form that your website visitors will see. If you do not see Forms right away, look for it in the main menu or navigation area. Once you are there, the next step is to click Create Form. This tells Email Octopus that you want to make a new form from scratch. After you click Create Form, you will be prompted to select your list. Choose the list that you want new subscribers to join. This is important because the form you create will automatically add people to the selected audience. Take a moment here to confirm you have picked the correct list, especially if you manage multiple newsletters or campaigns. Next, you will design your form. This part is where you decide how the form looks and what information it collects. Focus on the settings you want visitors to fill out, such as fields and any labels. Also check the style options available, because you want the form to match the look of your website as closely as possible. If you are adding consent fields or other compliance options, make sure they are configured the way you need for your audience. Designing the form carefully now will save you time later when you embed it on your site. Once your form looks right, you should click Save and Publish. This step makes sure the form is ready to use and that your changes are live. If you do not publish, you might copy a code that does not work as expected. So, at this point, confirm that Email Octopus confirms the form is published, or that the status shows as active. Now that your form is ready, you need to add it to your website. Return to Email Octopus and click Add to your website. This opens the part where Email Octopus provides the embed code. The form code is what connects your website page to your Email Octopus form. When you see the option to copy the form code, copy it to your clipboard. Make sure you copy the entire snippet, including any opening and closing parts of the code. If you miss a character, the form may not load correctly when you paste it. After copying, you can prepare to move to your website editor. Next, paste the code into your website. Where you paste it depends on how your website is built. If you are using a content editor, look for an area like an embed block, a custom HTML section, or an area that supports inserting raw code. Place it where you want the form to appear, such as a sign-up section on a landing page or the footer area of a relevant page. Then save the changes in your website editor. After you paste and save, publish your website. This final step ensures that the embedded form is actually visible to visitors on the public version of your site. If your site uses staging and live modes, make sure you publish to the live environment where people can access it. To wrap up, you created your form in Email Octopus, selected the right list, designed and published the form, copied the embed code, and then added that code to your website before publishing. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.